to the mobile training unit. Come on in. Air conditioned comfort. Pure bliss.
Look at this.
Alright, I want to show you the latest and the newest infrared camera on the market today. This is here from 1980. Check it out. This is what you had. It was well over 100 pounds to carry this thing around. Guys had to carry big crates. Today, the power of thermography. This is more powerful than this 1980 model and at a fraction of the cost. So, one of the things with the mobile training unit is it gives the inspectors the ability to test things out, to see how to use the tools. So we've built a series of training labs from leak detection, helps you see moisture. This is commercial roofing, for someone to see how to use a thermal imaging camera to measure a heat signature. So for example, a very popular camera with inspectors, and I'll turn this on, let it warm up, and I'm going to show you so you can see the things that the thermal can see and how this display. So for example, what we visually see as inspectors, which is by all our standards, is we see a nice pretty house and a wall. But when we turn on the infrared camera, we're able to see a signature on this wall that equates to moisture. So this helps us do a better job. So that's what our demonstration purpose is here, is to help guys see that there's something that they're not seeing. So commercial roofing, when materials become wet, they absorb energy, and at night they cool down. So when we look on with an infrared camera, you can see with that, that's what it similarly looks like. So we created that display to see it. We have a display station for cameras, we have a medical display, we have a mechanical display where people can see, for example, bearing failures. So as the bearings start to heat up, and you can see, well, this is what a bearing looks like in an industrial situation. And then we've got plumbing. So if we have blockages in plumbing, you can see, now we heated up this, you can see a blockage in the line. You can see the plumbing lines allowing the heat, but we've got a full blockage in this line right here, and you can see that. So the line's warm, and then it goes cool because it's not allowing it. We help people understand how energy efficiency, like insulation in a building, very effective in helping them save their money. When we look at a wall, we demonstrate, you know, hey, this is what we'd see. When we look through with the thermal camera, we can see air leakage, missing insulation, all the studs in the wall. So all the things that we see in a residential home, we're able to demonstrate with our dollhouse here. And then of course, importantly, and most importantly, is our electrical system, is being able to see faults. For example, this would be like an air conditioning fuse disconnect. We can see an electrical panel. The inspectors can actually test the amperage that's going through the system and running the equipment. So this trailer in all is designed as a solution for inspectors. It'll allow flow training. So we have a front and a back door, and then we're able to hold classroom settings in front. So as you can see, we've got a large LCD. We can hook up with a laptop, computer, and we can do presentations. We can comfortably sit about a dozen people and seating in here, but what we do is flow training, where they actually go train in a classroom, and then we bring groups of people in to see actual operation of the equipment. And then one of the other displays that we've added, we're now adding a combustion display. You can think of this as the House of Horrors on wheels. How about that? So we're going to be building a combustion display, and then we also now have set up a sewer training. We have a 16-foot sewer pipe with every example of sewer pipe, from ABS, PVC, cast iron, and clay pipe. And now people can use this sewer camera and demonstrate how to use a sewer camera. We have a full training behind that. So this trailer is a solution for everybody to learn how to do it. All right, so let's talk about what we can do with Nachi and what we're looking for with United Infrared. We're looking for the partners that we're going to take this trailer on a full 40-city tour. We're going to focus on the East Coast in 2018, and then we're going to focus on the West Coast getting back for 2019, and probably center back in through 2020. So this is over a 3-year tour. We're looking for companies to partner with, and if you'd like to participate, we'd love to have you.